Slim back here at Butler RV Center. We're inside this nice Thor motor coach again. If you look over here, this is a nice dinette. It has 2 cup holders, seat belts, can sit 4 people. And like I said about drastically reduced, it's down from $64.9. Over here you have the nice kitchen, stainless steel sink, pull down kitchen faucet, and check out that 40-inch TV in this nice little unit. Once again, this unit has a full wall slide. That means the whole side of this camper is slid out to give you excellent, excellent floor space. And then once again, no carpet to have to worry about. You can just run a broom or a mop over it and it's nice and clean. The nicest feature about this is you're getting a basically brand new unit with only 1,400 miles on it and not paying the price of a new one. It's thousands and thousands below what you can buy a brand new one for. So get down here to our open house on Thursday, May 30th, 9 to 8, and get this unit for yourself at this price. The price is only going to be good until June 1st.